Starting with what we call our peg leg break fall. I'm using a couple kick shields in place of what would normally be your training partner sitting on all fours. You're going to approach. You want your lead leg to be positioned at Uke's hip, balancing on top of Uke and drawing yourself over. Take special note of my back leg. It's going to remain straight through this entire procedure. Again, I line up, place all of my balance on top, and I'm pulling forward with my right arm there, keeping my back leg, which becomes my bottom leg, straight throughout the entire procedure. My front leg, which would have started at Uke's hip, is bent, and I want to be landing with the pads of my toes, creating another level of cushioning there. Here's just another angle, reaching over, pulling forward, just to control your descent as much as possible. I'm going to show that one again here so that we can get a slightly better angle on just how straight over you can go, pulling yourself forward and landing. I'm landing with my hand and my leg hitting the mat at the same time. We're trying to expand the amount of surface area that's hitting the mat in order to reduce the amount of impact that you feel overall. Breathing out the entire time as you travel over Uke. Now there is an advanced version of this where instead of drawing yourself over, reaching around and pulling yourself across Uke, you lay the back of your hand at Uke's hip and you project your weight over them. You are truly falling at this point. From the other side, reaching forward, projecting your weight over. Again, keeping that back leg straight, the other bent leg bent, landing on your toes, your hand, your leg, everything's hitting all at the same time. Projecting your weight forward, all at once. Your chin remains tucked, you're looking where you're traveling, and you want to breathe out again as you're falling, so that there's no air in your lungs when you hit the mat. When we get rid of the mats, we can see where all of this ends up going towards. If you're feeling confident with yourself at this point, this break fall turns into what's referred to as an over the belt, often from a wrist lock. If you have a training partner, you can have them apply the lock. You're going to rotate around your wrist. That's what I'm emphasizing here. Your wrist is the point of contact. You're rotating around that point. Again, breathing out the entire time. To do this without a partner, you're going to kick backwards as if you want to swing your back leg, your straight leg, up to meet where your head is. You want to be landing essentially where you started from standing. I travel a little forward on this. This is something that I need to work on correctly. The important part again is everything hits all at once. And that's our peg leg.